亚丁湾是位于也门和索马里之间的一片阿拉伯海水域，是全球船只出入苏伊士运河的要海，具有重要的战略地位。2008年以来，索马里沿海每年会发生超过200起的海盗袭击事件，平均每4天就有1艘船遭劫。这片海域也是一个冬夏季风交替十分明显的季风区，在夏季风盛行期，热带气旋、雷暴等极端天气过程时有发生。有些海域的海浪每天都在3米以上，最大时可达6到7米。今天是我们的美国船长和我们的之前帮助了我们的小姐姐到我们的船上来做客，大家一定要吃好喝好才是最重要的。这你看这好鲜活的鱼汤，记得这鱼是哪来的吗？我们当时在那个苏丹那个灯塔岛打的石斑鱼。Please take a seat. Yeah, this is Captain George who helped me a lot. Really appreciate.
Thank you. Yeah, no worries.
你们的船长太厉害了。
This is for Chinese sailors. Chinese, when we are sailing, we eat this eggs. You know, we cook everything before. So when we need to cook, we just you free him. 2 cameras just shooting like the crazy. And this is a beef with a carrot, and this is a tuna fish.
Yeah, tuna.
So you can do like that. I got nice spoons. Some tuna fish with the rice, little bit. With the rice, little bit. Yeah, it's gotta be fantastic for me, for sure. This is some rice. When you finish soup, you can take the rice from there, right?
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Cheers! Cheers. Ah, sorry, I forget the drink.
Cheers! How to cheers?
Wow.
Oh, yeah, that's good. That's it.
Thank you, Captain. Wow,
problem,
you're very good
Oh,
chef.
sorry.
Excellent chef.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm very.
Welcome on boat.
Yeah.
It's like family.
Yeah, that's it. 现在我们坐的老船长的船
Aloha!
一起去，有一艘波兰船，他们昨天晚上来拜访过我们。今天我们大采购以后呢，帮他们买了一些水果呀，还有那个鸡蛋。然后他们也是要跨亚丁湾的，我们决定一起去商量一下怎么去跨这个亚丁湾。这就是水手之间最简单的感情。这是一艘波兰船、美国船以及后面我们的中国船。Do you mind the video? It's okay? Good. Hey man, I got 2 books. They have some, so you see the property. We give oranges some things. I never know here is so expensive, man. It's crazy everything. Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Jakub, right?
Jakub to the same.
Jakub too. Sorry, I only bought 2 boxes, and I can separate one for you.
I'm Kasia.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Kasia.
meet you
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
You know, I never.
我们有 pasta 在这个船上，我感觉是麻的。It's like looks like very spicy, yeah.
No.
No spicy.
If you, I finished all spice sausage, but it's peri-peri if you prefer.
Thank you, man. It's some cheese. Do you guys mind with the video? It's okay.
Yeah.
Sure. You planted it, right? And they have the orange also.
For Easter.
For Easter, there's a kind of tradition to
Okay.
plant something like that. And those are our tomatoes, made out of the last tomato we had on the boat.
Do we eat it? No.
We'll see if
If you don't have the food.
if it will grow and
Okay.
it will give tomatoes. I highly doubt it, but I hope maybe.
I see. May I go inside?
Of course.
Yeah. Oh, you have a lot of food, man. Woohoo! Yeah, you guys are really smart.
I can show you because
Today, you guys are really smart. Really smart.
not for this. This is air conditioning.
Yeah.
So
It's working now?
no, now it's switched off.
But why it's so cool here?
Because this is from styrofoam. So now we are after 2 months. So
Wow. Oh,
6
Jesus.
styrofoam package like this. So we have holes in between. Also on the top covers it was a holes, so everything was connected and ventilated by the cold air. So after 1 hour of running air conditioning, it was 12 degrees on this.
That's pretty
on
cool.
this
Wow,
styrofoam
they're very smart.
boxes.
Very smart. 他们用这个空调的出风口来冷却这些食物。It was really like a cool box here.
Yeah.
Look at how these guys they keep the stuff. Today I pay for $315 for some orange apples, eggs, and I pay for 100 extra for the transfer. That's the price here. It's crazy, man.
Yeah, it's,
This is
the tournament.
Okay.
This is,
wow. I don't know why in your cabin is so cool. Like you
and
know,
this toilet is my cabin, and
you have a different toilet there.
yes,
Super nice. You are living here, right? This
yes,
one?
my
Yeah, let's check the other one.
podcast and we also down.
And you have the AC. That's a good thing. I got to put my AC in the Thailand here.
This is
What is this? Is also toilet or?
yes, because this is sleeping room. It's not cabin, big cabin.
Okay.
It's only sleeping bed, and this is toilet, of course, for this, but it works like storage.
Okay. Wow.
And it's small. The storage next storage.
Yep.
And this is front cabin in the same like on the port
Storage.
side.
Yeah.
It's almost the same.
Wow. This room probably. You also have the sea view there.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, that's good. Nice. Very nice. So 1, 2, 3,
3
3, and there's another side.
4, 5.
Both sides have 4 or 5.
and 6 is outside.
Okay. So this is a sofa bed there, right?
Yes, you know the.
Jesus, look at these guys. What do they have?
Yes,
他们用这个来装他们的 diesel. You guys crazy.
empty. We are waiting for
Yeah.
this. This is 6. This is
Number
small
6.
cabin. And I show you for skippers and cook.
Okay. 还有一个专门的那个厨师的一个房间。
If it's working, skipper and cook must live there. This
Wow.
small cabin is
So
working like
small.
storage.
哎，这个房间不怎么样，看来厨师确实房间差一
If
点。
you working,
Yeah, of course. You have many diesel, man. Too much. Wow. Nice. How much you are sailing from the Egypt to here? How much you spend for the how many liters?
and we spent around 400 liters.
Yeah.
And half of Red Sea we sail on the sails and half on the engines. And it's another half tonna.
So probably 1 ton.
1 tonna, something like that.
1 ton.
1 ton or a little more.
Oh, Jesus,
But
man.
we have two engines.
Yeah. You always use 2 engines.
Yes, not always. On one engine, on 2000 rounds per minute, we use 6 liters.
Okay, I got
And
it.
4 knots on the calm water. But if wind is around 30 knots, in 2 engines we make 3, 4, sometimes 5 knots.
That's
and
right.
And 15 liters per hour.
Jesus. Yeah. 14天他们跨越成功花了，我花了15天14夜。
Okay, let's see. This is the
This
most
yeah.
beautiful place. This is
Yeah,
Cyprus.
that is the VIP seats.
Yes.
May I go there to see?
Yes, of course.
这是 VIP 中的 VIP，哇，这个位置太赞。
Client preferred this place.
And you have a solar panel here.
Yes, but very small.
Yeah. Okay. Super nice, man. Sorry, Captain.
That's
We're
okay.
waiting. Yeah. 我们要过去修船再看一下。I think Jacob, maybe you can come to my boat after for a while. Okay for you? Hey dude.
Hey dude, how are you?
Captain here either. 我们现在在Jacob 在帮我去把这个配件下下来，因为我没有这个特别的一个工具。水手之前就是这样的，互相帮助。You want this one, right?
No, first you should